In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use dynamic templates in DocuSign with a voiceover length of about 2.5 minutes. Let's get started by opening your Chrome browser and logging into your DocuSign account. Once you have successfully entered your credentials and gained access to the dashboard, you're all set to dive into the world of templates. The first thing you want to do is head over to the Templates section. You can usually find this option on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on Templates will bring up a new page where you have the opportunity to either use an existing template or craft a new one from scratch. Today, we're going to focus on creating a brand new template, so go ahead and click the Create Template button. This will direct you to a page where you will start building your template. As you begin creating, consider the necessity of dynamic fields. Dynamic fields are an essential component because they allow your document to automatically adjust content based on the recipient's role or specific data inputs. So, as you set up your template, think about where it would be beneficial to incorporate these fields. For instance, if you want certain sections of your document to change according to who is viewing it, you'll need to add these dynamic fields into those areas. This can personalize the document, ensuring it is relevant and tailored to each recipient. In setting up these fields, you'll typically find a section for roles or data inputs, where you can configure which fields will change dynamically. Adjust these settings as needed, ensuring that the right data pulls through for each intended user. This makes the process more efficient and minimizes room for error. Once you've crafted your template and honed in on the specific dynamic fields needed, it's time to save your work. Look for the Save Template button, which should usually be situated towards the top or bottom of the interface. By saving your template, you ensure that all your adjustments and personalized fields are securely stored for future use. Now that you've saved your template, it's ready to be used to send personalized envelopes. You can select this template whenever you need to send out documents, ensuring that each envelope you send is tailor-made for its recipient. The dynamic fields you've integrated will adjust, providing a seamless and personal touch with minimal effort. With these steps, you now have a detailed understanding of how to create, customize, and save a template in DocuSign and how to make the most out of its dynamic field capabilities. Practice will make the process smoother as you continue to utilize these features, adding efficiency and personalization to your document workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy templating!